Okay, so this is a video on how to sort data in your data sheet. So if you look right now, you can see the data sheet starts at April 1st. And if you follow it all the way down, it goes all the way to June 30th. Right, so it's sorted by date. So this video is meant to teach you how to sort the data sheet by something other than date. Right? Maybe you want to group all the same days of the week together. Right? Group all the Mondays together, all the Tuesdays together. So if you select days of the week, go to Data, go to Sort Sheet, and then Sort Sheet by column C, A to Z. Now you can see all the Fridays are together, all the Mondays are together, all the Saturdays are together. Okay, maybe you want to sort it by something different. Maybe you want to sort it by revenue. So if you go to Revenue, select Data, select Sort Sheet, you can sort it. If you do A to Z, it'll go smallest revenue to highest revenue. If you go Z to A, it'll go highest revenue to smallest revenue. And you can do that for any column. This is just meant to give you a sense for how you can organize the data in the sheet in different ways.